I'm Angela with Angela Wolf Video, here with a quick tip on how to make your Zoom calls look a little nicer. Today's tip is all about the video quality. There are two things that affect this. One, Zoom automatically selects the video quality for you at a lower resolution in order to help save with bandwidth. So go into your settings and make sure your picture setting is set to the full HD 1080 setting. That'll make your picture look a lot nicer. Second setting is all about your Wi-Fi and your internet connection. With a crappy Wi-Fi internet connection, you're gonna be stuttering, you're gonna freeze, you're gonna be very hard to understand and see. So for that, if you can, go old school and just plug in with an Ethernet cable directly into your modem. If not, make sure you check all your Wi-Fi settings and make sure other things aren't on your Wi-Fi at the same time. So make sure your kids aren't trying to stream movies, make sure no one's downloading a new video game while you're on your Wi-Fi on an important call with a boss or maybe in an interview. So those are my two quick tips to make sure your video runs a little bit more smoothly next time you go on Zoom.